Whips and Caucuses
by Mara, Julia, Madison, Roshni, Jordan, Ashley, and Nikki. Congress convenes, begins a new term, every 2 years on January 3rd of every odd-numbered year. Each new term follows the general elections in November.
When the House of Representatives convenes, the clerk of the House calls the chamber to order and checks the roll of representatives-elect. Then the Speaker of the House takes the oath of office. The House elects its clerks, parliamentarian, surgeon-at-arms, chief administrative officer, and Champlain. After, the members of the 20 committees of the House are appointed by a floor vote.
The Senate has been organized without interruption since 1789. Since only 1/3 of the seats are up for election every year, the Senate doesn't have any organizational problems. The first day session is always short. While the Senate is in session, newly elected and re-elected members must be sworn in. Also, vacancies in Senate organization and on committees must be filled.
The Speaker of the House is chosen by the House of Representatives and is still considered a member of the House. However, the Vice President is automatically the President of the Senate and therefore isn't considered a Senate member. Only when the Vice President is occupied does the Senate elect the President pro tempore to temporarily replace the Vice President. This process is the same if the Speaker is occupied. The Speaker of the House follows the Vice President in the succession line if the President is unable to perform his duties. The President of the Senate can only vote on issues if there is a tie or no majority is given to one solution. Both of these leaders must supervise their houses' sessions and maintain the order in their houses.
The floor leader has the duties of legislative strategies and carrying out decisions of their party's caucuses. The majority leader, obviously, controls the majority party, and the minority leader controls the minority seats. The whips are assistant floor leaders.
The committee chairmen are the members who head the standing committees in each chamber. They hold very strategic posts. The chairman of each of these permanent committees is chosen from the majority party by the majority party caucus. They have a major say in such matters as which bills a committee will consider and in what order and in what length. When a committee's bill has been approved for consideration to the floor, the chairman usually manages the debate and tries to steer it to the final passage.
The roles of the committee chairman include what bills a committee will consider and what order and what length, whether public hearings will be held, and what witnesses the committee will call. The end.